So hey guys, manze, I really appreciate to everyone who has tagged Kaisinat and Streamer University in my past video and post. Guys, I believe in myself. I believe in you. I believe in Kenyans. I believe in East Africa, and I believe in the world that I will be among the people who will attend the Streamer University 2026 edition. Guys, the energy that we have, the energy that Kenyans have, the energy that is inside East Africa and Africa, I am ready to represent Africa and East Africa and Kenya in the Streamer University 2026. Guys, the win will not only be my win. It will be your win, Kenyans win, my family will win. The church, it will be a win for the church, manze. It will be a win for our flag, because I'll make sure I will not let Kenya down once I'm in the US. You guys, you don't want me to be in the US, guys. You don't want. If you want me to be in the US and represent Kenya in the Streamer University, because I want to go there and learn and bring the experience back home. The streaming industry must be on top, manze. So guys, I really appreciate to anyone who tagged Kaisinat. Your chat, we can do it, chat. The energy that is in Kenya, the energy that we always have in the comment section, the energy that you always put on the sports people, the energy that we always put in the Maandamano chat. Let's bring the energy here, chat, because I know we can do it, chat. If they can do it, we can do it, chat. Manze, we should take Kenyan streaming industry to the next level. How should take it to the next level? Let's level it up, tell your chat, we can make it. Continue tagging Kaisinat, continue tagging Streamers University, because I'm ready. Vindi is ready. Let's go. And no one can beat us, bro. No one can beat Kenyans. Kenya to the world. No one can beat Kenyans. Kenya to the world. Gila 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 dum gila gila. Mila 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 koi mila mila. Gila 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 dum gila gila. Ay mila 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 koi mila. Hey dum machale dum machale dum machale dum machale dum machale. Show them six pack, bro. Show them six pack. Show them six pack. Yo guys, we are ready. Let's go.